Dr. Henry, given that this heat wave is set to continue in BC for several more days, do all vaccine clinic locations now have suitable cooling plans in place, or should we expect to see further cancellations or rescheduling of appointments in the coming days? Might they be moved to other locations? I'm wondering if you can give a bit of a look ahead to what to expect given the weather.
I might defer to the minister on that one as well. There has been there's lots of planning going on, and in some cases the air conditioning has failed at a certain point in time, so they had to at short notice move clinics, and we've been trying to do them either early in the morning or later in the evening when it's cooler, and that's not always been in some really hot areas in the lower mainland, particularly in the Fraser Valley areas. That can be a challenge as well. So it is a dynamic situation, but I know Minister Dix has some more information on
that. I think, Tanya, we're going to continue to adjust. You saw in redirecting people at 7 Fraser Health testing centres to new locations that had air conditioning, and those places were not fundamentally changed. Some of our vaccination clinics that are outside have been affected, not just because of those working there, but because we want to be able to keep everyone safe, including those waiting in line for the vaccine. So, for example, in Lake Country, we've brought in air conditioning into a tent for people waiting the vaccine. There's indoor clinic space in Lake Country, but we've brought in air conditioning for others. There have been other changes. We've moved the clinic in Jaffrey today inside. In a lot of locations they've been moved. In some specific instance, the clinics are being closed and then people are being rebooked. So we're adapting to the situation, but a weekend where we had 180,000 vaccine doses administered showed that the work at our vaccination clinics continues to be extraordinary. 95% of the appointments fulfilled. Some were deferred, but they were deferred in the interest of the safety of those working there and those receiving the vaccines, and they're being rebooked. We also have increasing capacity over the next week with more Vaccine Now this week in BC. So there will continue to be adjustments in the interest of people's safety and in their health. But I think our teams are doing a very good job, and they're simply adapting to the circumstances. And that may happen in the next day or two as well, in specific locations as well. For example, in Vanderhoof, the clinic has been moved off a few days and is now taking place, rescheduled to July 6th, 7th, and 8th. And all of the detailed information about these changes are available on the websites of the health authorities.